Right, here we go again. First of all, this is my first ever bleach painting.
Wow!
Try natin kung makukuha natin ang technique. Gamit lang ang bleach stone rocks. This is our reference, my very own Grayson. The half husky, half Filipino.
Paano masabi?